Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a great time in lockdown, but remember, it's not school holidays, much as we'd like it to be. We do have some work to do, and I realise that's really hard when you've no teacher to help you day in, day out. So, on that note, this is a video that I plan to do at least once a week that will, for each of my groups, that will go through some revision work, and depending on how it works, we'll move on to more subjects. What you'll need for this video, or for this to work, is a pencil, a rubber, and some paper. As you can see, I've set up with my green screen, so hopefully we can make this fun. For example, if I wanted to do the lesson from the inside of a volcano, I could do that. Whew, very hot. Or if I wanted to do one underwater. Okay, the underwater one's not a good idea. But hopefully we can have some fun doing this. So, if you guys want to go and get your paper, your pencil, and your rubber, you can pause the video and I will set up the next shot, and I will send each group a video for themselves. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, before we start, I will be assigning you homework. Don't worry, it'll just be games or little problems in maths or whatever book I want you to read in English. So there is a website where I've set up accounts for you all that you'll be able to log on, and you'll be able to see what resources and games and books I've given you, and I will be able to tell if you've used them or not. The website will tell me, so I will know if you've done your reading. I will know if you've practiced the maths game. Right. So, to log on, what we need to do is, first of all, you type in the address, which will be www.activelearnprimary.co.uk, and then you hit enter. Now your mum or dad will be able to help you if you need to log on with that. After that, you go to click on log in, and you type in, we'll get rid of the teacher's logs ins. Okay, so what you need to type in for your username is your first name. So mine is Mr. Mock, but you guys will just type in your first name. I have your account set up. The password, I want you to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's everybody's password at the moment, but once you log in, you'll be able to change your password so other people can't see your work. Okay, and for the school code, I want you to type in 39W9. Okay, and after that, you click on sign in, and this exciting page jumps up. This will say your name here. You can change the background if you want to Bug World, Race World, or Future World. It's a very cool website. Then on my stuff, this will be where I have assigned you some work to do or a game to play, or it'll always be maths or English, guys, but hopefully it'll be a bit of fun. So you'll find it under my stuff. If you click on my library, that's where it'll say the books that I've assigned you, and they'll be in this bookshelf. You'll work it out anyway. You're all very good with computers. Okay, for my rewards, this is where it gets a bit exciting. So this will tell you all the rewards that you've gotten, and you'll be able to, the more rewards you get, the more things you'll be able to do here. So it'll unlock games, it'll unlock, you'll be able to update your avatar, you'll be able to make them kind of, give them extra glasses and clothes and stuff, which is all very cool. And then log out. And this part, grown-ups, is if your mum and dad want to click on it, just to tell them a bit more about the website. Okay, perfect. So that's where I'm going to sign your work, well, some of your work, and that's how you log into it.